Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will show you a delicious Indian style tofu recipe which is packed with all kinds of aromatic fresh greens. So let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to blend all those greens. I have some green onions, a green capsicum, one green chili, a knob of ginger, and few garlic cloves. I also need a good amount of coriander leaves and a few sprigs of mint leaves. I had soaked some unroasted cashew nuts in hot water for about an hour. Put everything into a blender jar. Here I would like to say that use any greens according to your preference or availability at your place. Like if green onions are unavailable, then use more of coriander leaves. Or if you do not like mint leaves, then you can even use basil leaves. You can even use baby spinach. Use whatever greens you like, but please do not leave out the green capsicum as that gives a nice flavor to this dish. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and a little bit of salt. Then blend everything to a fine puree. You need a fine paste like this. Heat a pan over medium heat. Once the oil turns hot, add a dried bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Stir for a second. Then add chopped onions. Add a pinch of salt to speed up the onions to soften down. Stir from time to time and let them turn soft. In the meantime, heat up another pan over medium heat. Add some oil and then add the tofu, placing them in a single layer. Always use a firm or extra firm variety of tofu for making curries. Soft tofu turns into a mush at the end of cooking, and we are not making mashed tofu curry today. Sprinkle some salt and pepper and let them turn golden brown on medium heat. My onions need to soften down a little more. Do this on medium heat. If you want to speed up everything and think, oh, let me fry the onions on high heat, then they will look as if they are done, but they actually don't turn soft. And for curries, you need all the components to blend in perfectly and melt in your mouth. So please be patient here. That's why I utilize this time by frying the tofu side by side, so that by the time my tofu browns up, the onions will turn soft. Do not brown the tofu too much, as that will make them too chewy. You just need this light golden brown color. I again sprinkle some salt and pepper on this side. Take them off heat as soon as they turn golden brown on that side. My onions have softened down now, and you do not need to brown them as that will destroy the beautiful green color of the gravy. Next step, add the green puree. Add a few tablespoons of water to your blender jar to use up all that goodness. Now stir this on medium heat. Add some ground coriander powder and freshly ground black pepper. Keep stirring on medium heat till the mixture looks dry. See that oil all around the edges? When you see that, you will know that your mixture is well fried. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes, and this is what is meant in Indian cooking, to fry till the oil leaves the sides. Now add your fried tofu. Mix the tofu very well with all that green goodness. Add little salt, but do not add too much as we already added salt while making the green paste. and we even added salt while frying the tofu. Now I will add another ingredient that will take this dish to the ultimate level of deliciousness: coconut milk. I again added a little bit of water to my blender jar to use up that green goodness till the last drop. My family doesn't like that strong coconut flavor, so I added little water to dilute it. But if you love coconut, then do not add any water. I used half a cup. You can even go up to a cup if you are a fan of coconut. Now cover it on low heat for about 8 minutes. In between, just give a stir, as the gravy sometimes have a tendency to stick to the bottom of the pan since we used cashew nuts. After 8 minutes, do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. Finally, add little garam masala powder to perfume the dish. But guys, do not add too much, as you want the aromatic smell from those greens to dominate this dish. Discard the bay leaf and cinnamon stick before serving. Finish the dish with a dash of lemon juice to add up to that freshness. The flavors from each of those greens combined with the sweetness of coconut milk makes this dish extremely delicious. Serve this with rice, roti, or you will even like it with a toasted bread. If you are interested in more tofu recipes, then click on the recipe showing up on the screen. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Please take care and stay healthy. Bye bye.